So guys, unbox natin ang isa sa pinaka-demanding na phone yon, ni iQOO. This is the Z11 Turbo. Ito talaga yung iQOO phone na recently sobrang dami nagde-demand. Boss Eman, asa na yung review mo sa iQOO Z11 Turbo? Ito na guys, ang kukulit nyo eh. But yeah, big shout out to Ninong AC Mobiles Gadgets for a smooth transaction with them. Again, sa mga balak kumuha nito, feel free to DM me. Bibigyan ko kayo ng discount. Ako dyan kaninong AC. So, the variant that we have here is the 12256 white version. Bumagsak ka na. Tulungan na natin, guys. Cheers! So, we have the phone here, pero tabi muna natin to. So, buksan na natin to. Silipin pa natin anong nasa loob ng box. So, we have here a TPU case. Yan, kung makikita nyo. We have paperwork. And of course, meron pa rin tayong charging brick. Let's go! So, kung makikita nyo guys, Type-C to Type-C na siya. This has power delivery and supported na yung 100 watts. Nice.
Wow!
Plus, syempre, we have the Type-C to Type-C. So, yeah guys, this is a good addition. Given na naka 100 watts na to, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa ibang device mo na supported yung power delivery. Then, may SIM ejector tool tayo dito. And that is pretty much it. Pero guys, ito na. Excited na ba kayo? Look at this! Sheesh! Wall-E yarn. Actually, torn between blue and white ako. Pero I went for the white version kasi tignan nyo guys. Kung gaano kalinis yung white version. Look at that! Nice! So, hindi siya glossy. This has glass back panel, pero mas matte yung finish niya. Kung makikita niyo yung frame niya, aluminum na rin to guys. So, this has metal framing. We have volume rocker here, plus the power button. Napakasimple ng aesthetic design talaga niya, men. And sa kabilang side naman, wala tayong ganap dito. Just have two antenna lines here. Ang maganda rin dito guys, dual firing speaker na tayo. Meron sa taas, and also meron din dito sa baba.
Nice.
So, of course, we have the SIM tray here and the Type-C port. And mind you guys, kung nakikita nyo yung camera na yan, so hindi lang to basta gaming phone. The main sensor nito is actually rocking 200 megapixel sensor. Plus, meron na rin yung OIS guys. And then yung secondary camera niya naman is 8 megapixel for ultra-wide. So, we can expect decent camera output from this one. Although, again, gaming focus si iQOO. But I can really say na they are improving when it comes sa camera system nila. So, let's boot it up for the first time. iQOO, powered by Android.